Wow, this is an original World War II German soldier's pouch, and there is something inside. I'm in a trench here, and a very unexpected find. First of all, I thought just an ordinary drinking cup. Got it out. Then I turned it over. We have an iron-crossed first class from the German Imperial time frame with a patriotic motto underneath it. And it says, Für König und Vaterland. With God for King and Fatherland. One of the comments under my last video suggested returning to that location here and to dig out these single positions even deeper, just in case I might have missed some smaller targets here. And yeah, here I am, I already did the work. Let's check those single positions again with the metal detector. Number 1 definitely is empty. Number 2 as well. And so is number 3. But it definitely was worth a try, because when there are smaller targets like an award or a badge in a depth of about 80 centimeters, it is always very hard, oftentimes even impossible for the metal detector to reach those targets. The iconic World War II cap badge from one of the Soviet soldiers. One pin is missing, and that's most probably the reason why he lost it in 45. Beautiful undamaged plate out of a small trash pit here. It's in a typical Art Nouveau style, turn of the century, around 1900. One of the biggest balloons I've ever found. Here we have a huge dugout pretty close to the edge of this forest, and right behind this dugout I have my most promising signal of the day so far, 93, very stable signal. That is as good as a signal can possibly get. Here I have it in my hand. What is it? It's only something made out of brass. Brilliant signal, not so brilliant find. I'm in this position right now, and what started out as a very weak signal has become an absolutely fantastic signal. Let's see if it is anything better this time. I think it is something made out of leather. That definitely is something made out of leather. Brown leather. What I initially thought would turn out to be some leather actually is a truffle mushroom, and there are several pieces of them in the hole. That doesn't look too tasty, definitely not eatable. And not to forget about the actual object which gave up the signal. It is again something unknown to me, made out of zinc. That is the position, and right about 20 meters next to it I have another top-notch signal. Started digging with my hands, not seeing the object so far. What is that? Could it be something made out of leather? Rather looks like plastic of some sort. With remains of paper inside of it. Could it be a case for something maybe? Very strange. Here you can definitely see the remains of paper. I can reach underneath whatever this is. Signal inside? No. What? Oh, it is a pouch. It is a pouch made out of leather. And underneath is a perfect example for a signal you would expect from a dog tag. I really do think we have a pouch for a dog tag here. Or maybe it is a purse. Let's put it to the side. I do think we have a round shape here. I'm quite certain that this will be a dog tag. We definitely have a dog tag here. Take a look at this. Here on top of it you can even see remains of the band, which has been used to wear the dog tag around the neck. This definitely will be an SS dog tag. You can see the Sieg runes right there. Now let's find out the soldier's unit. Here we have the remains of the soldier's Soldbuch, his service record book. Drittes SS Pionier Ersatzbataillon. A unit tasked with training and dispatching combat engineers to Waffen-SS frontline divisions.